viewers, let's watch this video.
Can you imagine?
God have mercy upon us.
They not even give me any information on time that the meeting has shifted to next week. They made me to book a flight and even stress myself from my... Babe,
Serious. They would have told you. Oh, they would have told you now.
babe, are you okay?
No,
You are fine. Imagine. If they told me that Oga Plans has shifted the meeting to next week, how will I just book a flight and stress my... Babe, are you really okay?
Oh, why did let's not call you? Eh? I would have told you.
It's not his fault. It's an AP man that's supposed to call me.
Oh, MP!
Babe, AP is his fault. Are you sure you are okay?
This is I'm okay. AP caused this.
Yes, AP actually caused this. You understand?